living in a small home? Then these space-saving gadgets will change everything for you. Wait till you see gadget number 3, you'll want it instantly. This over-the-door organizer is a total space saver. With 5 roomy pockets and a strong, anti-tilt design, it turns any door into instant storage. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, pantries, even nurseries. You'll be surprised how much it actually holds, worth checking out. Honestly, if you're short on space, this rotating bookshelf is a lifesaver. Book sparkles. It spins 360 degrees, fits in tiny corners, and somehow holds a crazy amount of stuff without looking bulky. Once you see how smooth it rolls and how neat everything looks, you'll want one in every room. You know that one kitchen gadget you didn't realize you needed until you try it? Yep, this is it. This roll-up drying rack sits right over your sink, saves counter space, and folds away in seconds. It's sturdy, stainless steel, and honestly makes the kitchen feel so much cleaner and organized. Once you use it, you won't go back. If your bathroom counter is always messy, this little organizer will fix it instantly. It holds all the kids' toothbrushes, keeps everything dry, and honestly makes the whole space look so much cleaner. Once you use it, you'll wonder why you didn't get it sooner. If your cleaning tools keep cluttering the place, these wall grippers are a lifesaver. Stick them on, no drilling, and your brooms stay perfectly in place. Simple, neat, and super handy. And hey, if you love simple gadgets that make life easier, don't forget to like and follow GadgetSpies. You can check them out anytime on Linktree/GadgetSpies and grab your favorites.